What's up, guys?
Hey guys, this is Chris and Will again. This is our update collection. We got the red jacket 1911, the red jacket RJ9 MP9. Pretty cool gun. It's semi-auto. Yeah. We got some CO2 on gloves and stuff. BBs. I got my neck thing to protect my neck when I get shot and stuff. Like my mask that I used during war. And hold on. And then we got the revolver in the building. Revolver. Yeah, it's a pretty nice gun. Alright, here you go.
Okay. See, I got my HK MP9, MP7, my bad, my gloves. CO2. Yeah, this is my dad. He's a cop. It's a Glock holster. But, if you'll hold this, I'll show them. It's my Black Ops Blowback 1911. It fits. Then you have to push down and push in. It's pretty easy. So we got this Black Ops. It's good. It was like 75 bucks at Walmart. And I'll show y'all shooting test. How it shoots. Okay, now a car's coming, so but you get the gist. So it's really cool.
You get the idea of it.
Get this, put it on my side. Okay, now the car's gone. And then there's a truck, but let's do this. Okay. And 99 stock flip up sights. It's like your pistol with your M16. Then you got a metal magazine. Semi. Full auto.
Oh yeah, by the way, that's our woods. That's where we do everything at.
Yeah, you got a speed loader. And we're gonna go over a review if you should get this or not.
Alright, so here we go. Alright, so I got the Black Ops revolver. She's pretty nice. Oh yeah, it's double action. You could pull the hammer back and shoot it, or you could either pull the trigger. I think I got one. Yep. And for the red jacket, it's a battery, which it sucks. Now I'll show y'all the battery. See? But it's still good for a moment until I get more money to go get some good stuff. This is semi. I mean, that's auto.
Hey, stop. And yeah, you see how it fires.
Here we go. Here we go.
You can see the BBs flying out.
And we got the red jacket pistol.
Spring. It's decent. It comes with it. So now we got.
I got the holster for the revolver. Okay, so I keep cards on the speed. Alright, so I got the holster for the revolver. Looks pretty nice. Fits it pretty nice. And, yeah. And there's my friend's mask. It's a JT mask. Like I said before, I got the Star Wars mask.
And you know, it's just some regular 20 grams CO2.
And he has a sling for it too.
Yeah.
I already got my sling on my gun.
And I've already showed you. You know. Pretty cool. The only thing is, I need to fix it because it's like, see how the trigger kind of slow. Well, the outside of CO2 because I've been using it pretty much all day. But it's full metal. I mean, can't go wrong with that.
We're gonna bring another video to y'all guys about a war story. Like we're gonna have a war.
But yeah, I recommend this, recommend that, and you know that's really fun too. So.
It's for like small wars.
This is all our stuff. Not much, but we'll come out for. So, thanks guys for watching.